Namaskar everyone. One of my beautiful and dearest soul sister, Narmada, suggested me to channel a light language channeling to help us to surrender in full faith and trust to the highest light beings, including our higher selves, angels, ascended masters, gods and goddesses. This period of intense chaos going on micro and macro level worldwide is coupled with Mercury and Mars retrograde overlapping each other. And the people of spiritual community are expecting the embark of age of Aquarius in the month of December 2020, and the people are expecting a great event on December 21. Despite the astrological analysis of all the things happening, people are suffering like anything. I mean, who are already in the path of ascension are here to handhold all those people and take them along with us in the ascension journey. With a lot of information floating around about the celebrities, people in the power, people who are in politics, people who are ruling the government, people, cine actors, actress who are in the popular limelight of the public. So much of information are floating. Everyone have their own truth. Everyone believe on either one side of the truth or the other. That is, controversies going on between the Democrats and Republicans. Corona pandemic affecting on all levels, with no money left with us for survival. And it is a hard time for some of the people to cope up with all these things and to keep trust in the spiritual process. It is very natural that we are disheartened, discouraged, and question the validity of the spiritual work we have been doing for years. And everything seems to be going confused, and we are not sure what is going to happen on any front. This light language channeling is just to assist us to open ourselves to receptivity of the support extended by the divine light beings, angels, ascended masters. Especially, I am so grateful that Saint Germain has been coming through my recent channelings to extend the support with his reservoir of violet flames to transmute any sorts of karma, any sorts of confusion, any sorts of illness, especially Saint Germain being the in charge. I am not an English speaking person. He is being the hierarch of holding the Gesera and Nisera and all the financial implications. Let us surrender ourselves to those higher beings and open ourselves to receive their support and blessings. Hintura am shwaki alturam han in ankyunturutana shunta. Hinturai okim at ira shwaki I am thuna at irashum kiamana. Inturashu al itum hinku im aruti akyum yaturasha. Ola ti am yuhu tashi. O ham tukurantana ho. Ekum ti ayutarashi. Yuham tika horantan tunashun takantana. Ol aram tinkum kantana. Horikanti tirashi. Hoki atukum kuntana o hamatul. Yit am dorashu wakantan. O amtin ayumatula aishokya tana hatan. Itukintana botrun tuntana shakintan. Ankintan shum antan shishinkan. Ahim tara huntan. Tam tulantana sha. Ekum aruta him atukumanana. O Ami Aturam Ahim Atun, O Haram Aturam Han, Ahim Altirahi Atun Ananashu, Ahim tu Or Atun Kumatana. Huyinkinta aluki atukum nana hun hauki hantu hu matosha hantan ahum hantuna hi hantuna nasha hu hantun ayi hantura tunka kuntanasha huyam tura hita kukantan intuna hu hantunasha iwatura takum nalarata okem antununanasha ki antunanana o amyutunanshu kintana Kantunana, Hokim Altura Tanto Shantana. This light language transmission you can listen to whenever you feel discouraged or disheartened, or else you can listen to it regularly just to open up yourself more into surrender to higher light beings, especially Saint Germain, who is going to take us to the age of Aquarius, where we will be feeling a sigh of breath, a breath of fresh air after this intense chaotic period. But in order for the transition to happen in a peaceful manner, we need to keep our faith and trust in our journey as well as the guides who are supporting us. We need to encourage each other. Listen to this transmission again and again if you feel so. Surrender to the light beings. Open. You will receive lot more.